Hey y'all, I'm Cheraw Tony. Today we are at Canyon Lake, Arizona. In just a few minutes we'll be boarding the Dolly, and we were going on a little cruise around Canyon Lake, and we've been promised to see some animals and wildlife, and of course I guess animals is wildlife, and I think anyway, we'll get started as soon as we get our pass to get on board and shove off, and we'll get started right after this station identification. Well, that is going to do it for our trip on the Dolly. On the, I forget the name of this lake, Canyon Lake,
Canyon
maybe?
Lake.
Salt River Lake. I've heard that mentioned too. Anyway, I'm 100% positive it was the Dolly. It was a good ride.
Beautiful scenery.
It was real peaceful, and a lot of people was on that boat.
Yep.
It was only like $30 a person, so that's a pretty good deal for an hour and a half.
It was.
Nice tour, and actually seeing the canyon from the lake level, it's a whole different perspective. But we hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time,
Y'all have a good day.
y'all sure do that now.